Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 1st, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Ares Management. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ares Management, a leading global alternative investment manager, has just released its third quarter results for 2024. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Ares Management reported a GAAP net income of $118.5 million for the third quarter. How does this compare to their earnings per share?
Great question. The earnings per share for Ares Management stood at 55 cents, reflecting their solid profitability. Additionally, their after-tax realized income was $316 million, which translates to 95 cents per share. This indicates a strong performance in terms of profitability.
And what about their fee-related earnings?
Fee-related earnings were impressive at $339.3 million. This showcases Ares' ability to generate substantial income from their management and advisory services, which is a key component of their business model.
Strategic initiatives and fundraising. John, Ares Management has been quite active in fundraising. Can you elaborate on their achievements and future expectations?
Absolutely. Ares has raised over $64 billion year to date, and they anticipate reaching gross commitments in the mid-$80 billion range by the end of 2024. This is a testament to their strong market position and investor confidence in their strategies.
What about their capital deployment and assets under management?
In the third quarter, Ares deployed nearly $30 billion, and they have over $85 billion in assets under management that are not yet paying fees. This positions them well for future earnings growth as these assets begin to generate revenue.
Dividend announcements and shareholder returns. Let's talk about dividends. Ares Management has declared dividends for both common and preferred stockholders. What are the details?
Ares declared a quarterly dividend of 93 cents per share for its Class A and non-voting common stock, payable on December 31st, 2024. For preferred stockholders, the dividend is 759375 per share, payable on January 1st, 2025. Additionally, they have a dividend reinvestment program effective for the upcoming dividend.
How does this impact shareholder returns?
These dividends reflect Ares' commitment to returning value to shareholders. The reinvestment program also provides an opportunity for shareholders to compound their returns by reinvesting dividends into additional shares.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, what insights can you share from the statements made by Ares' leadership regarding their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
CEO Michael Arouheti highlighted their strong fund performance and continued demand for alternative strategies. CFO Jared Phillips emphasized their record available capital, which positions them well for future earnings growth. The leadership is optimistic about broadening their investment activities, supported by a positive market tone.
And what does this mean for investors?
For investors, this indicates that Ares is strategically positioned to capitalize on market opportunities, potentially leading to robust future returns. Their operational efficiencies and strong capital base are key drivers for sustained growth.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, let's summarize Ares Management's performance and investment prospects. John, what are the key takeaways?
Ares Management delivered a solid net income of $118.5 million and is on track for a record fundraising year with expectations in the mid-$80 billion range. Their dividend of 93 cents per share underscores their commitment to shareholder returns. With a strong capital base, they are well positioned for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Aries Management's performance in the comments below.